The Undercover Triad bed cover hits function, security, and style. Keeping your cargo covered and dry is so simple and easy with the Undercover. Your truck bed can be conveniently covered and easily accessed with these tailgate clamps. You can also easily manage your cargo from full coverage or open 2/3 of the way for larger loads. When covered, the integrated perimeter seals and corner seals keep out the unwanted elements. Triad even added dual hinge seals for extra weather protection. These hard-folding, lightweight, and strong aluminum panels not only keep your cargo dry, but add security to protect your cargo. No thief is getting through these panels. They're also strong enough to hold 600 pounds of equally distributed weight. The Undercover by Triad is a great way to add not only security to your truck bed, but the sleek styling gets rave reviews as well. The matte black finish and profile offer a very clean, finished look. It also helps hide the mess lurking in your truck bed. If you're interested in purchasing the Triad Undercover or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.